Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. In today's video, we're going to build a simple yet powerful weather app. We'll fetch weather data from an API and display it in a user-friendly interface. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to structure your code smartly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, let's set up our project. We'll use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the weather data, we'll use the OpenWeatherMap API. 1. Creating the project structure. 2. Setting up the HTML file. Let's start by setting up our index.html file. Here, we have a simple HTML structure with a title and a div where we'll display the weather information. Next, let's add some basic styles in styles.css to make our app look better. With these styles, our app is centered on the screen and has a clean, minimalistic look. Now, let's fetch weather data from the OpenWeatherMap API using JavaScript. In script.js, we'll write the logic to get and display the weather information. First, we'll define the API endpoint and our API key. In this code, we use fetch to get the weather data. The getWeather function fetches the data from the API, and displayWeather updates the DOM with the weather information. Let's break down the code step by step. 1. API key and URL. First, we define our API key in the URL to fetch data for London. Make sure to replace your _API_key_ here with your actual OpenWeatherMap API key. 2. Asynchronous fetch function. The getWeather function is asynchronous. It waits for the API response and then converts it to JSON format. In displayWeather, we extract necessary information from the API response and update the inner HTML of the weather division. Finally, we add an event listener to call getWeather once the DOM content is fully loaded. And there you have it, a simple weather app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We've covered setting up the project, fetching data from an API, and dynamically updating the UI. Try expanding this app by allowing users to enter their city or by displaying more weather details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart programming tutorials. See you in the next video. For more information and the complete code, check the description below. Happy coding!